I'm back with a different kind of unboxing. The box got damaged while I was traveling around to come back home from Thailand, Southeast Asia, everywhere, Laos, you know, because I have family there. I'm not that kind of collector where they keep two pairs, so this one won't be on display. I kind of wanted it to be, but it's all damaged, so rip. So this is Shokudaikiri Mitsutada from the sword game online thingy, and he's my favorite.
It comes with two legs, different hand pieces, two sword ones, one cheek and one not. Three arms and two face plates. Oh, actually three face plates, but he has the hat for the expression, and he has the mad expression, and he has his emblem. Okay. And yeah, so let's take it out.
Final product of what I tried to do. He has the nervous, sulky face with like his little finger right there, and then he's holding a sword. The sword is him holding the sword is kind of like yeah, but it's okay since I won't be moving him as much, I guess. Yeah, I can't really tell anything else because I don't own any, and I'm not a figure collector or whatnot, so I don't know anything. But this was my unboxing and everything. I'm just gonna leave that there. I'm gonna clean up everything and put them in a safe place. Anyway, he says bye. See you in the next video. Possibly winner. No, it'll possibly be beast and flying, and then winner.